Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your HubStaff account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you assign a team to a project in HubStaff? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to assign a team to a project in HubStaff anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, you know that managing projects and moving teams around can be time consuming. And with HubStaff, you can go ahead and remove a team and assign a new team to a specific project. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your HubStaff account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my HubStaff account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to assign one of your teams into a specific project, you're going to click right here on the left, Project Management. Once you click there, you will see all of the projects you're working on. So you just want to scroll through until you find the project that you want to assign a team to. Once you found the project you want to assign a team to, just hover over the project and it's going to turn gray like this one. And then to assign a team, all you're going to do is click right here on team. Once you do that, it'll highlight and you just want to click on edit projects team. All right, once you do that, it's going to open up the edit project directly to the team section. And you just want to click into the team box right here. And if you have another team, you can go ahead and just click on X and it's going to remove them. And then you just want to go ahead and add the new team. So I'm going to go ahead and add this team. Okay, now you can see the team is entered into the box, but you're not finished until you click on save. And a quick second later, it refreshes. So now you can see the team is added into this project. And if we need to change that, we can easily just do the same thing. Just going to hover over it, click on the pencil, and then it's going to bring you here to teams and you can just close it out or you can add them in. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a team or assign a team to a project that you have going on in HubStaff, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.